My beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another tutorial. I hope you find value in this video because I had so much fun making this video. I was so excited with the outcome of this video. Like, I was so happy, not like my other videos that I used to post and I'm like, oh no, but still this particular one, right? I was so satisfied, like I did something right. Okay, today my tutorial, I'll be doing it with Polygel. Yes. I don't know if you can remember the first haul video on my channel. I did get some Polygel from Lily Cute on AliExpress and I haven't used them. I only tested them on my brother's hand to know how exactly it is, and I haven't used them. So today I got my perfect nude and I used it. Okay, so I'm so excited because everybody was like, wow, and I'm so glad I filmed this particular video. Like, I am so glad. So I didn't use the because if you watch my whole video, I didn't get the Polygel solution and also the brush from them. So I just used this random brush that I got from my last haul from AliExpress, the brush set that I got. If you watch my last haul video, please, if you haven't watched my previous video, please help me to like my videos and please help me to subscribe. Please, I see the views on my channel and I do not see the follow. Please, thank you. Please do not forget to like the videos too and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for always coming by. I see the family views growing. Like, yes, I know how many likes, how many views I got in my last video, and I see you guys, and I'm so excited that you're finding value. Okay, so I just used the random brush and then I used a Polygel solution that I got from my friend, not really my own. And I think it was a bit because the Polygel itself was actually very soft. It's actually workable. It's more like it doesn't have this thick consistency. I don't know how to place it, but it's thick but a little bit runny. I don't know if you can see. You will see it in the video when the second one. Yeah, you see there. It's a little bit runny. But yes, I absolutely love my nails. Yes, I was so proud of myself, so proud of myself. And I did it this method because I wanted it to be a press-on, but I'm using glue under my my fake tips, but I'm just going to carefully remove them and clean them up and keep them because I am still going to wear this. Like, I am so in love with this look. So I did apply the Polygel to all accordingly. I did, yeah, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see from the video, you find out that some of the products were already seeping to the side before I got to that particular product. And after applying the whole product, because I didn't cure after applying one, I do not have a UV glove, so I tend to minimize the way I put my hands under the lamp. So I had to finish the whole application before I went in to cure all of them. So you will see me struggling at a point cleaning up the other side, because after doing the other one it just tends to come out from the side because of the consistency of the Polygel. But I tell you, this is really affordable if you can get your hands on it. I think if you get your solution and also get the appropriate brush, you're going to get a perfect result. So yeah, I did get something nice. So after that, I flipped my hands so the product balances well. I think so. Yeah, balance is so it doesn't flip to the side and it gives me that apex that I actually wanted. So after that, I did some cuticle cleaning with my cuticle bit and my nail drill. I tell you guys, please, if you don't have a nail drill and you don't know the nail drill to get because of the prices, you can get this nail drill. I believe that if you're a first-time user of AliExpress, you get it cheaper because you're going to use your first-time bonus. But if not, it is not up to at a point doing the yes, if you can wait to 1st of next month, right, you're going to get it a little bit cheaper. But for now, I think it's about $12. But as at that time, it should be down maybe 10 something or $10 or $9, depending on how many percent off that they're doing. But I think it's a cheap nail drill that does the work. Yes, girls, it does the work. I know you can see. Can you see? I was using the removal bits because the apex was too high. As you can see in the video, it was really high because I flipped my hair for a longer time and the apex was high, so I had to use it to clean it. Guys, can you see that smooth application? And my acrylic application made it look like I was so useless, like I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, guys, yes, can you see that? See how neat. See my cuticle area. See, like, I'm not sure I'll try acrylic, because the last one I did, I haven't forgiven myself for doing rubbish. Alright, so after that, I did use some acetone to just clean up some dots because the dots were too much, and then I went in to paint my nails. This is actually the fun part because I actually didn't know what I wanted to do, to be honest. I didn't know what I wanted. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but it just happened, and I'm so glad. I'm so excited because I was saying that okay, I was going to try using my nail paint that I got, and I was going to try, I just want to see how the paint is. I was going to use it in different ways, so I'll be incorporating more of black and white in my next two tutorials or so. I don't know how exactly I'm going to post it, but can you see that smooth application? Can you see that? Well, the product is worth it. This is the second time I'm using it, and I can tell you, I like it. I didn't really get much issues using it. Not really something for the price point, and I wouldn't say I have issues. I like how it applies. It doesn't change color when it sets in the lamp. It's perfect for beginners. You just have to patiently work with it. You just have to let it dry. Okay? Just let it dry. I'll just let you enjoy and watch the whole process. Thank you so much for staying to this extent. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Turn up. Y'all see.
I just wanna see you try. Just wanna know you guys. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands.
You will be my present. If you know the end, would that make a difference? All my life I've been praying for a gift. You my life, I wish off my list. But at least show me a sign, not some you take a piece. Ready to get back on my feet. I'm still the one you see in your dreams.
I just wanna see you try. I just wanna know you right. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands.
I put my all on the line and walk on the tightrope. Will help me keep my balance. You'll be my hope and assurance. Lose my shit tomorrow. Will you stay with me or follow the trends? Say to the gamma, hit and follow them. When I feel in love from the spotlight, my name, my purpose, I highlight. Expensive pain, clogging my heart. Loyalty is the cure. We love when it's pure. Loyalty is the cure.
Loyalty is the cure. I just wanna see you try. Just wanna know you right. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands.
You said we're exclusive, but I so elusive. If you claim I'm yours, we're trying to impress the boys. That's not riding, that's soften. You think like a man with the way you got options. Every day you look for a flaw to combo me and show me your walls. White toss under the boss. I send our issues to the shade room. We both are taking a loss. Everyone gain from our trauma. Them bitches don't ride for you. No snake will wait for you. They every day wanna take your spot. You must cut them off from the jump.
I just wanna see you try. Just wanna know you right. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands. I just wanna see you try. Just wanna know you right. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands.
Y'all see.
I just wanna see you try. Just wanna know you right. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands.
Past will be my present. If you know the end, would that make a difference? All my life I've been praying for a gift. You my life, I wish off my list. But at least show me a sign or some you take a piece. Need to get back on my feet. Must still be why you see your
dreams. I just wanna see you try. Just wanna know you right. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands.
Now put my all on the line and walk on the tightrope. Will help me keep my balance. You'll be my hope and assurance.
Do the same, baby, no for my hands.
If I give you the word today and I lose my shit tomorrow, will you stay with me or flow the trends? Say to the gamma, hit and follow them. When I feel in love from the spotlight, my name, my purpose, I highlight. Expensive pain, clogging my heart. Loyalty is the cure. We love when it's pure. Loyalty is the cure.
Loyalty is the cure. I just wanna see you try. Just wanna know you right. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands.
You said we're exclusive, but I said elusive. If you claim I'm yours, we're trying to impress the boys. That's not riding, that's surfing. You think like a man with the way you got options. Every day you look for a flaw to combo me and show me your walls. White us under the boss. I send our issues to the shade room. We both are taking a loss. Everyone gain from our trauma. Them bitches don't wait for you. No snake will wait for you. They every day wanna take your spot. You must cut them off from the jump.
I just wanna see you try. Just wanna know you right. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands. I just wanna see you try. Just wanna know you right. You know we do the same. Baby, no for my hands.
Time for stones. So I did mess the mixing a little bit. If you check the one like my middle finger and my ring finger, you can see that they are not nothing. So I had to beat them up. But tell me, are you not enjoying this look? Definitely I am, okay? Definitely. For some reason I got carried away and I didn't apply my cuticle oil, and I do have dry fingers. That's why most of my tutorial I always apply cuticle oil as I go through the process. I'm like, okay, at some point I use cuticle oil because my hands are really, really dry and crusty, trust me. So, but that aside, I still love this nail look. Yes, not perfect, but I love it. That's one thing about freestyling nails. You just create something, and it's like it's a mistake, but then like you're like, oh wow, yeah, okay, yeah, I'm gonna make another mistake, and you can never make that mistake again. You can. It's so hard, but yet you can make that mistake. You can. Okay, I don't know if you noticed in the video. I just like minimizing the amount of time I put my finger under the UV light. So that is the reason why I didn't go into the put my hands in the UV light at intervals. So when I was painting, I did all my painting like the black, the white before painting. I wanted to do the sports, and I found that it was mixing, and I just thought I'm like, okay, let me just dry this first. So I went in and I dried it. So while I did my beading, my stoning, sorry, I didn't dry. I just applied it all before going into the lamp to dry them. I was just, I just like minimizing the amount of time I spend there. It's not really, I just heard it's not really that good, so I just want to be on the safe side. I don't know. There's so many myths and there's so many facts, so just be on the safe side. Okay, now can you see how beautiful this is? I would have just toned it one side, just like this, because I like it. I really do. But now, let's just go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Now, if you've watched to this extent, please, 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 please help me like this video. Please. Help me like this video so YouTube can help me spread my videos and help me reach more people. This is something I love doing and I just want people to see me do it. I just it's so encouraging when you do something and you see people actually liking what you do. So please help me like this video. You can drop a comment, tell me something, just tell me anything. I just want to hear from you. Then also do not forget to subscribe. Yes. The girl is below 50 subscribers. Yeah, and that's too bad. So please just help me like my videos, subscribe, help me share, and also do not forget to drop a comment. It's really gonna help me know what you want and what you don't want to see. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate, and if you've watched up to this extent, I'm so grateful and I'm thankful that yes, you're still here. And I know someday I'm going to repay you for this patient, for actually sticking with me. I will repay you. So after drying the stones in the lamp, oh my god, after drying the stones, one moved. I said I did everything before going to the lamp, so it wasn't okay. And I really tried to fix it, but I couldn't fix it. Sorry for the background noise. My alarm went on, so I just had to. And I couldn't do anything to it. Like I was trying to move it. I'm telling you, that brimstone glue is guys, I tried. I couldn't. I just couldn't. So I just had to leave it like that and sleep my nails. And everyone is like, oh, girl, those nails. And by the time I did this voice over, right, my boss where I worked, she said, can I get my stuff and do her nails for her? I'm like, I've never done anyone nails, just my nails. And she's like, you can use mine, so expect another hand that is not mine pretty soon. Alright, can you see me? I'm modeling those hands. Now you see how beautiful, how oh my god. I'm gushing over these nails. Like the nude is, everything is so on point. Can you see, guys? Oh. Well, thank you so much for watching my video to this extent. Thank you so much for clicking whenever you get the notification. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting me. I really do appreciate, and I hope to see you in my next video.